In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email pop-up in Kit to use on Shopify. If you want to capture more leads and get more subscribers, an email pop-up is a simple and effective option. Today, you will create a modal pop-up inside Kit, then embed it into your Shopify theme so it appears on your store. To begin, go to Kit and look for the area labeled Audience Growth. This section is where Kit helps you build tools that attract and convert visitors. Click Audience Growth and give the page a moment to load the related options. Once it opens, you will see categories for different ways to collect leads. Next, click Landing Pages and Forms. This is the place where Kit manages forms and pop-up style experiences. By selecting this option, you are telling Kit that you want to create a form-based email capture experience. After you click it, you should land on a dashboard view where you can create new forms and designs. Now click the plus New button. This is where you start a fresh build, rather than editing something that already exists. Taking this step ensures your email pop-up is set up the way you want from the beginning. When you click plus New, Kit will prompt you to choose what kind of element you are creating. Select Form because the modal pop-up you will embed is a form that collects email addresses. After you choose Form, you will be asked to decide the display style. This matters because the pop-up experience will be a modal, not a normal page section. Choose Modal. A modal is the style that appears over the screen, usually with a clean focus on the email capture. This is ideal for conversion because it grabs attention without navigating the visitor away from your store. Once you select Modal, Kit will show you templates you can start from. Choose a template that matches your store's look and feel. You can think of a template as a starting layout, including basic styling and a structure for the content. Pick one that feels professional and easy to read, especially on mobile. Mumming. After you choose the template, click Save and Publish. This step activates the pop-up and prepares it for embedding. Saving and publishing ensures the code you copy will reflect the final version of your design. Take a moment here to confirm that the form is published successfully, since this prevents copy and embed issues later. Now you will move to embedding. Click Embed and focus on the panel that provides different embed options. Kit organizes the code steps so you can place the pop-up where you need it. This is the transition from creating the pop-up to installing it on your Shopify theme. Next, click JavaScript. Selecting JavaScript is important because Shopify's theme custom areas commonly accept code snippets in that format. Once you choose JavaScript, a code box should appear. Then click Copy, so the embed code is ready to be pasted into Shopify. Now switch to Shopify. In your Shopify admin, open your theme settings and find the Custom Liquid section. This section is where you can add custom code that will run on your storefront. Paste the JavaScript code into your theme's Custom Liquid section, making sure it sits in the correct field without changing any characters. Finally, click Save inside Shopify. This step applies your changes, so the pop-up can load for visitors when the page loads. After saving, give it a moment and, if possible, preview your store in a new tab to confirm the modal appears as expected. And that covers everything you need to know.